Last chapter that we're going to review in neuroscience is the limbic system, and it's a chapter that we save for last because we really don't know much about how the limbic system works. The only way we know anything about it is from lesions that result in specific deficits that were tied pathologically to the limbic system. So first off, what does the limbic system do? Its major job is memory consolidation. All of our daily, hourly learned information that we are accumulating visually, orally, auditorily, any source is played down through the limbic system and transforming a learned experience that is going to be consolidated into a short and then ultimately a long-term memory. That's a major function. Secondly, there is a series of limbic-based structures that are functioning to add an emotional content to a memory. So our emotional response center basically is also a component of the limbic system. The limbic system also has close ties to the hypothalamus. So in a way it's related to visceral functions or the emotional contents of visceral functions associated mainly with feeding, mating, and forms of attention. So we've kind of summarized this in a way by saying that the limbic system forms a core of interconnected cortical, subcortical, and diencephalic structures that are found on the medial aspect of each hemisphere. So in addition to participating in memory processing, emotional contents of memory, and visceral functions, the olfactory system, our last of our sensory systems, projects mainly into limbic system areas of cortex, if only because it's a phylogenetically old sensory system, as are components of the limbic system.